Assalamu alaikum. In 10th standard, the first lesson of math second is similarity. Look at the diagram. Point A, point B and point C. These are three non-collinear points. If we join these three non-collinear points, then the figure we get is a triangle. Similarly, look at this diagram. Point P, point Q and point R. These are three non-collinear points. If we join these three non-collinear points, then we will get the diagram called triangle. Now look at both these two triangles. This is the base of the triangle ABC. This is base of the triangle PQR. Base of triangle ABC is equal to side BC. Now if we draw perpendicular from vertex A to base BC and name this point as M, then AM is called altitude. AM is the altitude. Altitude means the height of the triangle. Height of triangle ABC is equal to AM. Now here, if we want to draw altitude from this vertex P to the third side of the triangle or base of the triangle, we want to extend side QR in this direction, and this PN is the height of triangle PQ and R. Now base of triangle PQR is equal to side QR, and height of triangle PQR is equal to PN. Base is QR and height is PN. Height is the perpendicular segment which determines the height of the triangle. Now we know that the length of the segment and area of any figure is a positive real number. Area is always a positive real number. In previous classes, you know that the formula for area of a triangle is 1/2 into base into height. For triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC is equal to 1/2. Base of triangle ABC is BC and height of triangle ABC is AM. Area of the triangle ABC is 1/2 into base into height. If we want to write area of triangle PQR R, then by using the formula we can write here 1 upon 2 multiplied by base of the triangle PQR, which is side QR multiplied by height of the triangle PQR, PN. This is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. We have studied ratio and proportion. The statement A and B are in ratio m upon n. It is also written as A upon B is in the ratio m is to n. Ratio means comparison. If we compare the ratio of areas of the two triangles, look at the board. This is the area of the first triangle ABC and this is the area of the second triangle PQR. If we want the ratio of areas of these two triangles, then we write here from equation number 1 and 2 as area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR. This is the ratio, is equal to 1 upon 2 from equation number 1 into BC into AM. Area of the first triangle ABC 1 upon 2 BC into AM. And from equation 2, area of triangle PQR is equal to 1 upon 2 into QR means base of the second triangle and PN height of the second triangle. Since 1 upon 2 is common, therefore it gets cancelled and the ratio is equal to BC multiplied by AM divided by QR multiplied by PN. If we denote area of the first triangle as A1 and area of the second triangle by A2 and base of the first triangle B1, height of the first triangle H1, base of the second triangle B2 and height of the second triangle H2, then the ratio of the areas of the two triangles, that is A1 upon A2, is equal to B1 into H1 divided by B2 into H2.